guys, it's Marianne, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple orange look when you're out partying this Christmas season. Without further ado, let's begin. So first off, we're going to put some BB cream, which is BB Highlight Everyday BB Cream by ytber in the shade Light. I'm just going to apply 3 small dots on my palm or hand and simply use my finger to dab it around my face, from the forehead down to my nose, to my cheeks, to my chin, and also my neck. And spread it with my fingers. You can also use a sponge or brush to spread it, but I'm just using my fingers since I'm always lazy and doing makeup. Yeah. Spread it evenly. And pat when there's areas need to be patted. Yeah. And apply more if you want more coverage, since this BB cream supports dewy coverage, I guess, I suppose. And apply it on your problematic areas, just like on your forehead or down to your eyes, your redness, pimple marks, everything. And that's it. Some lip cream, which is Nivea Scissor Protect SPF 15, and I really need this thing up since I really want to take care of my lips since it's really dry and chappy, and also my lips got wounded and I don't even know why. So yeah, lips. Then next up, our eyes. Yes, our eyes is a spotlight for today, and we need eyeshadow. And so I'm using this Avon eyeshadow, which is Goddess Rust in gold. Yeah, and I'm going to use the brown one. Yes, I'm going to use the brown one with my eyeshadow tool. Yeah, and just going to apply it on the other corner of my eyes to give an accent to my eyes. Just going to apply it on your outer corner. Yeah, you can use any brown shadow. And don't forget to apply the bottom outer corner of your eyes as well, just like that. You can also use a brush to make it more clear so that the color will be more visible. And voila! Yep. Next up, I'm going to use the blusher from P.P.S, which is Shimmer Cheek Blush, and I'm going to use the light orange with my finger. I'm going to use it first with my finger and dab it around the inner corners of my eyelid down to the center, just like that. You can also use eyeshadow tool for it so that it will be more easier begin on the inner to the center of your lids. Just like that. And blend it with a blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush, yeah, to make colors more like blendable. And for the inner corners, inner lid, I'm going to use the dark shade of blush, dark orange, and just apply it on the lower lid of my eyes to give that bold look of orange. Yep. Just like that. And blend it with a blending brush to blend the colors all together. And voila! We're almost done with our eyes. Now we've got to apply some mascara. So I'm going to use Pro Eye Color by Everbalena, which has a mascara and eyeliner, but I'm going to use only the mascara for now, since I'm not really a pro in applying one. And just apply the mascara on your outer lashes. Do not include the inner lashes, just the outer, to have that more natural lifted eyelash look. Yep. Since my eyelashes are already curled, like naturally curled, I used to notice that the outer part of my lashes are more curled than the inner. Just going to set it, yeah. Next up is the cheeks, and you're using Sansan cheek blusher in the shade of peach blush, yeah. Just going to use a blush brush from Miniso, apply it in the apple of my cheeks to the eye, just like that. And blend it with your hand to make it more of like natural flush. Yep. And we're almost done. Now moving down to our lips, I'm going to use the Dew Kisses Smoothies in the shade Juicy Papaya and these two Sansan lip balm. I don't know what this is called. And mix the two. First, the Juicy Papaya and the dark glitter shade of the lip gloss. Just mix it all together to create that more of like a coral shade, or I don't know, more of like a coral orange, and simply dab it in your lips. Just lightly dab it. Just apply a little amount, a light amount, so that it will not leak too overboard. And also apply it in your inner part of your lips to create that gradient effect. And voila, we're done. I hope you guys like it. If you want more, please check my channel down below and click my profile and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell below, or the bell button. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. I even used this makeup look during a Christmas party, since I don't know how things will work. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you again next time on my next video. Bye bye.